What's up YouTube? I'm going to show you my paper guns that shoot. So I'll start out with this MP7. I don't know if you can see that. With charging handle. Charging handle. So I'm gonna shoot it. That actually is pretty good, actually. I shot this. No, you guys saw that. I'll do it again. Oh, I didn't go so far this time. But that's the MP7 charging handle. Magazine. Just going to war, the MP7. Going to war, the MP7. What? Okay, so next I'm showing you my guns that really don't shoot as good. Like my MC7 doesn't shoot that as good, and then this gun doesn't shoot at all, and it's really sucky. I made it yesterday with line paper, that's why this messy tape, that's why it doesn't look so good. But this is the minigun, 5-barrel, really sucky. I didn't know how to make this part, so I just left it like that. I didn't want to mess it up anymore. Really sucky. When I get some more white paper, I'm going to try to do it again. So, 5-round barrel. This does not shoot. So, show you. This is my combat knife. Combat knife. Handle. Yeah. This might not look sharp, but it's really sharp and it hurts. I used a lot. I used a lot of paper for this. Really thick. Yeah. So that's combat knife. Next is my M16. This M16 does not shoot. Handle. This part. Magazine. It doesn't shoot, but I'm gonna make one that shoots later on. Maybe tomorrow I'll probably make one that shoots. It'll probably take me a few days, but yeah, I'll post that up. A little triangle thing. This thing with handle. Yeah, it's not that magazine. Sorry, that's that. Next, I'm going to show you my pistol. This pistol shoots. So take out the magazine. Take out the bullet. So I'm going to show you how far this shoots. I don't know if you guys saw that. The gun's right here, and the bullets are all the way over. I'm gonna come closer so you guys can see me shooting it. And you saw shooting over there, right there. There. But, and this time I'm gonna shoot it out, you guys. This has sight, so I'll see if it works. See if I can get perfect aim up here. And then shoot right here. So that was that. Let me get my next gun. Okay. Next. Oh. Oops, forgot one piece. Okay, so this is my sniper. This part. Magazine. Fail. Total fail. So, then it comes with this part. This is the stand. So if I want to stand here, I made this part. So just put the stand right here. And I have my stand. Put this part back on. And it broke. That's why I don't like it so much. But let's get down to business. This thing, shoot. Fix that later. So, we'll take this off. I don't want it on. So, first I'll take out my magazine. Got bullets. But this charging handle and this one, like that. Push them up. And you guys saw that. If you didn't, reload it off camera. Yep. If you have any tutorials, just ask. So put it back inside here. This is the sniper. And I made this scope. 2 scope. And magazine fell out again. Whoops. Sorry. Trying to get an angle I can show you better scope. You can see the red dots. They can't because I have on a red shirt. You guys can see the orange right there. That's supposed to be a red dot sight, but it's orange. But still, it's pretty cool. And I can make this better thing. Look, red, orange dot, red dot sight. Shooting somebody. So that's this. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Subscribe, comment.